How to save battery on iPhone running iOS 26. So first let's go back to your home screen, and there are 8 things that you could try to do to save battery on your device. Now first, let's go into settings, and in settings we go all the way back to settings page, and then we go down. And you want to go into location services, so go into privacy and security and tap on location services. Now if you're not using location, you can switch it off. This will allow you to save battery on the device, because location services always consume the battery on the background. Now if you are using location services for maps, then you can scroll down the list here and find any apps that you're not using. You can turn off location. So for example, Compass, if you're not using it, you can switch it off. Or App Store, or any of the apps that you have installed in here, you think that you are not using, you can go in and switch it off. So here for example, Pokemon Go, I can choose never, and we turn off location services for that app. Okay, so do that. Next we can review and turn off background app refresh. So go into settings, and in settings we go down and tap on general, and then tap on background app. So in here, background app refresh. Now go to background app refresh in here, and you can switch it off if you're not using it. Otherwise, if you are using background app refresh, then you can go down the list here and turn off any apps that you do not want to allow running on the background. So here, Discord, Drama Box, and so forth. So here, this one here, we can switch it off. So any apps that you do not want to run on the background, you can switch it off, and this will allow you to save battery. So that's another thing that you can try. Another thing that can save battery is turning off AirDrop. So we go into settings and scroll down and tap on general, and in here tap on AirDrop and turn off. So tap on receiving to off. So turn off AirDrops, because if you turn it on, it will constantly running on the background, getting ready to receive files. So you want to simply select receiving off, turn off AirDrop, so that it's not running on the background. Now you can also turn off AirDrop from the control center. So if you swipe down like this, here we can turn it on or switch it off. So select receiving off. The next thing that you want to check is to turn off always on display. So when we turn off the screen, it does not turns on, it does not stays on. So in here we can go into settings. In settings we go down and tap on display and brightness, and then scroll down and tap on always on display. Now make sure this is turned off. At the moment I have it turned on, so you can see when I turn it on, the screen will stay on. So you want to turn it off. This will allow you to save battery. So go in here and switch off always on display. The next thing to review is your Apple Intelligence in settings. So scroll down and tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. Now if you are not using Apple Intelligence, you can switch it off. And not everyone like to use Apple Intelligence. So if you're not using it, you can simply turn it off. Apple Intelligence always running on the background. So if you are turning it off, you can save power. Next, we can check your software. So make sure that your software is up to date. So go into settings, general, then tap on software update. Now ensure your iOS is up to date. If the iOS is not up to date, it can have memory leak or other issues that can cause battery to be consumed more than it needs to be. So ensure you go in here and update your iOS software, and it is running on the latest version. Another thing that you can do is go into the App Store and then go into your account. So go into your account and make sure all your apps are up to date. So you can see here a lot of apps is out of date. I can update it. You can update them one by one, or you can simply use the update all button to update all the apps at once. Some apps might be out of date, especially if you have just recently updated your iOS to iOS 26 and the apps are not compatible or is not up to the iOS 6 standard, so it can have memory issues or battery issues. So make sure it is up to date by clicking on the update all button. Lastly, you can turn on low power mode from settings. So if you go into settings, and in here we go down and tap on battery, then scroll down and tap on power mode. You can turn on low power mode, and here it said that this will temporarily reduce some background activities, processing speed, display refresh rate and brightness, and limit certain features such as 5G, iCloud syncing, email fetch, and more. So turn on low power mode. You can also turn on adaptive power. So turn it on, and iPhone will intelligently manage your power on the device. So turn on low power mode, and once you turn it on, you can see the battery icon at the top will go into a yellow icon. And that's it. Those are the things that you can do to save your battery power on your iPhone running iOS 26. Thank you for watching this video.